How to install and use OpenOffice on Windows 11 PC or laptop. First, open your web browser on your computer. Now, go to the search bar and type OpenOffice, then press the Enter key on your keyboard. From the search results, open the official OpenOffice website. Once the website opens, click on the Download button. On the download page, make sure the operating system is set to Windows, then click on Download Full Installation. The OpenOffice setup file will now start downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the OpenOffice setup file to begin the installation. If a user account control message appears, click Yes to allow the installation. Click Next to continue. Choose the installation location if you want to change it and follow the on-screen instruction to complete the installation process. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Now, to open OpenOffice, click on the Start menu, search for OpenOffice and open it. When you launch OpenOffice, you will see several tools such as text document, spreadsheets, presentations, drawing, etc. To start working, simply click on the tool you want to use. For example, click Text Document to create a new document. And that's how you install and start using OpenOffice on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful and easy tutorials.